So वीडियो का एंड ज़रूर देखना. So I started to sketch. So sketching is very easy. Sketching is very easy. Now let's begin. Oh, it's done. Now the edit. Watch it carefully. So it's done. Now we will color it with watercolor. And let's begin with our equipments. So now we will color first their skins, and I got to start the skin. Now just vibe it. So the skin is colored. Now let's do it with the hair. And I'm going to obviously hair of Red Saiyan Goku is always pink and something reddish shade. So and for Broly, oh, it's looking like milkshake, na? I'm going to drink it. Oh, I'm joking, bro. I'm joking, but literally it's milkshake. Huh? No. So for Broly, his hair is green and dark green shade. So I colored it. Now just the outfit of Goku. Sorry, Red Saiyan Goku. And from now, let's detail it. So now I'm starting with skin. Obviously, it's going to be so dreadful. So watch till the end and please show me some respect, bro. यार सब्सक्राइब करो यार. क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग? सब्सक्राइब करो यार. इतना मेहनत कर रहे हैं तुम्हारा ब्रो और तुम सब्सक्राइब नहीं कर रहे यार. चलो जल्दी सब्सक्राइब करो और देखो तो मेरी स्पीड. मैं गोकू के हेयर्स पर भी पहुँच. और तुम लोग ये रेड कलर का सब्सक्राइब बटन नहीं दबा सकते इतनी देर में यार. अभी देखो भाई, ब्रॉली भी निकाल लिया मैंने फटाक से. हाँ, अभी मिलता हूँ थोड़ी देर.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone. That's the only
And from now, just background laugh.
Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be.
So actually, I don't have any black pen, so I'm going to use this mechanical pencil for outlining. Let's play liner.
It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold. Break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't never let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fake now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now.
ऐसे नई धमाकेदार फाड़ू वीडियो में. So guys, I have worked on it 6 hours and editing 2 hours. Just I hope it will go viral.